Hi everyone. Today we'll use Qwen VL to analyze an image. This is a VLM, so like visual LLM. It could actually, I'm asking what is this? And it's pretty good. It actually guesses exactly what it is. We'll ask a follow-up question. It's pretty snappy. It figured out it's a DGX. And I'm running this model on 16 gig GPUs. It's one of the latest visual language models. It's good for analyzing images. Highly recommend to use it. And now we're going to switch over to a different server and we're going to try to generate a website. Now this server is with 32 gig cards, also only 4 of them. And we're writing some code. This is basically to demo the kind of models you could use in Open Web UI. You could see the token throughput is pretty fast on this model. It's doing about 35 tokens per second. And you could see it just writing out CSS code. And what's neat about Open Web UI is I'll actually show you the preview of the website or whatever you're working on. And yeah, it's pretty useful. I run a lot of experiments with it, and I actually use it for data that maybe, you don't want to put in the cloud, like customer data or just private company data, accounting, stuff like that. So we could see that it's starting to prepare a window for the preview for version 1. We're going to leave the GPU stuff in the background. We don't need to see it. I just like to show you that it is being actually run locally, and you could even see the IP address of the Open Web UI. It's a local IP, so nothing talks to the internet. There's no data being sent over there, and it's generating everything locally. And it's pretty neat. I mean, look, it's almost at 400 plus lines of code in less than a minute, or about a minute. And, I gave it an assignment to create a website showing machine learning model gallery. And there it is. I mean, it's very pretty. And what's cool is you could preview it right there inside Open Web UI. Yeah. And now let's see if we could change the project name to something else. We'll change it to CAN servers AI. And see, it's going to start working on that. So that's pretty neat. You could work on the files. I personally prefer to use Cline. You could look at our other video that uses Cline because it would do the changes much faster. It would do them on the server. It'd go to the target lines using even the same model.